Is out there frightening and confusing to so many people, and maybe the biggest obstacle faced by public health officials and leaders in the gay community is educating the public that AIDS is not exclusively a gay disease or a drug user's disease by any means. As John North tells us, that actor Rock Hudson may be suffering from AIDS is already helping to correct public perception.
AIDS, can I help you?
The number of calls to the Southern California AIDS hotline have increased, in part, officials believe, because of reports Rock Hudson is suffering from AIDS. The same is true at the Gay and Lesbian Services Center, where acting director Albert Ogle believes some good can come from tragedy.
If it is actually admitted, and if it is true that Rock Hudson has AIDS, that nothing but good can come out of breaking that silence.
In Los Angeles County, where there are 993 reported cases of the incurable disease, the silence often comes in response to calls for support for AIDS research and education. Convincing policymakers that AIDS can affect anyone is not easy.
I've testified before local politicians, and in fact the reception I got was less than cordial. Several of the people I was testifying in front of actually got up and walked away while I was talking.
In the last 6 months, the Los Angeles AIDS Project has helped 15 heterosexuals, more than 3 times the number seen in the previous 2.5 years. In Los Angeles County, 6 infants now are dying of AIDS.
So there is no rationality behind not voting money because you're going to be voting for a lifestyle. That's a prejudice, and that's a discriminatory type attitude.
Yet, for whatever reasons, funding is difficult to come by in Sacramento, where Governor Deukmejian cut $11.6 million out of a $17.7 million AIDS package. The county faces tough financial times and is reluctant to increase its AIDS funding. Only belatedly has the Reagan administration promised an increase in federal funding.
I see the problem with funding is a symptom of a much larger problem, that people really don't believe that the AIDS crisis is so large.
According to Ogle and Dr. Fannin, one of the biggest obstacles to preventing AIDS and funding for AIDS projects is ignorance. Ignorance and fear from gays and heterosexuals alike.